Good morning, welcome to another vlog in the village, and today's breakfast we are having porridge and bread. Yeah, that's what's up. Finished breakfast. I was watching the birds as they feed, but they have disappeared because of the dogs. So yeah, today is such a beautiful morning. Let's go and feed the birds. Kama kawaida. Oh, there was one here. Oh my god. Oof, I've scared it away. Yeah, time to feed the birds. My son's rabbits are still here, still doing well, well fed, as you can see. Yeah. So I put up this fencing because of the chickens. But now I've seen some spinach. They have been eaten up like these ones over here. So I'm thinking it's the birds. Can you hear them in the background? Just like magic. Anyway, so I've added some paper bags to act like scarecrows. I hope it works. I hope it works. Yeah. Hello. I want to create a flower bed to fill this whole place with flowers. Um, yeah, so just preparing it for the rainy season. The rainy season, maybe in a month's time, it will start raining. So just want to get everything ready. Then once it starts raining, and then I'll have all my flowers there. And I hope the dogs will respect my work, you know? Yeah, anyway, so I'll start with snake plants, aloe vera. So I'll be having flowers and herbs, flowers, herbs, and all that goodies. So I'm super excited for that new project. Yeah, even though I already have flowers around here. We have snake plants, we have aloe vera, so I'll just add some more for this place, specifically for this place. And then this place gets really hot because it doesn't have shade. So I'll need to bring in plants that can survive in hot weather, you know? Yeah, so I'm super excited about that.